So what I've got here is a piece of contact paper, and I'll just cut around an old paint lid to form the perfect circle. Then we're just going to apply some acrylic. Make sure that you press down these edges really quite well, because you don't want no paint seeping through. So applying the acrylic here, and notice how I'm using the brush here to get that sort of moon rounded look, and spreading it quite evenly. There we go. That's dry. Time for the second coat. Again, using the same sort of brush technique here, giving that sapphire look. All dry, and I've made a bit of grey, and I'm just going to gently put this on with this sponge. Get a feel for this, put it on gently, and then you can just sort of get the feel of it and go for it. Once that's dry, you can now remove the contact paper. Hopefully we should get a nice crisp edge. This is looking great. Coming up now is the live tutorial. Enjoy. Some liquid clear everywhere, first of all. Alright, just then get all this liquid clear on. Right, there we go. A real thin coat of liquid clear. Right, so I'm going to go with some phthalo blue. Let's go with some phthalo green as well. Let's just mix these two together. There we go. So yeah, we're going to go into this colour that I've just made. We're going to put this everywhere. So let's, it really does sort of thin down this paint with the liquid clear. I'm saving the moon till last. Okay, let's go over this moon. Oh, look at this. Just bringing that colour in. We got a greeny blue moon. Look at that. Just having a little play about while I'm doing this. Whether I want to sort of leave a little spot there, I don't know. Don't know if it looks alright, or whether go over the whole lot. I'm just putting it on lighter. Just a bit lighter in the centre there. That looks quite nice. That was just a thought as I was doing it. So I've got a fan brush. Just going into some titanium white. Let's put some colour around then, so just want to create some maybe dark towards the top. Just some little light areas. It's almost like suggestions of clouds. Or some kind of... That's it, this is okay. There. So black going into that colour that I knocked up. There we go. Yeah, let's just put some little trees in. And put some other trees in here. Just keeping that little bit of mist in there. Gonna have one that lives there. Okay, let's just see what happens here then. I might put some little things in front of here, but where does this waterfall? Let's just put some kind of little things that live in here while we're there. Little overhangs. There we go. Just the smallest amount of mist. Just going to tap this. Just tap it. Just a little something there. I'm going to put a little rock in there. Do that. I might hide some of that. I'm just going to pull some of this colour down. Just sort of make some little rocks there. I quite like using a fan brush for that. I don't know if this is a bank or what, but I think it probably is. Let's connect that with that, and have it coming round. So it comes right down here. Can you see that? That's pretty nifty, isn't it? Just gently making a bit of something here. It's like a little cavern in there sort of thing. It's kind of coming round. Just gonna put some little splashes just down here. And I just want to create a little bit of, this is water coming through here now. We'll make a little pool here, I think. A little pool of water that comes out here. I don't know how far I want to go with this. Just going to put some mist here. Let's split it into two waterfalls, but I don't know yet. Here it goes. There we go. A little sort of tree that sort of lives here. Just that little bit of something there. I have some little things growing in there. Love it. Just a little one there, maybe. We're going to settle him right just there. Some little thing here. Just sort of. One here. Let's just have a look at this. Okay, just smoothing that off a little bit. Try and get a bit more. That's it. That's it. Oh, this is nice. Just add a little bit more drag there. Just going to sit him around here. This is that dark greeny sort of black, same sort of colour. We'll just put him here. See, that's throwing the waterfall back a little bit there. A little bit light colour on the top there. Basically, I've just added a bit of all this together, a little bit of green in there. I want to make some dark. Nick some of that. It makes sort of like a greeny grey. Let's cut across there and just try and drag some rocky sort of shapes on there. Alright, I'm going to put some rocks down here. Let's do one like this there. Just a little. Just a little ledge there. One that lives there. Right down here. Just catches of. Oh yeah, that would do nicely, I think. Something like that. We'll just bring this round. I don't want it too light down there, I want to keep some dark. Right, we're just going to put some little splashes here. I'm going to carry on like this. There we go. Just bring this water over there. There's some little bushes and that. There we go, look at that. There's a little bit of a sort of sheen on there. Please visit the website for my paintings and prints. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment.